Hey folks, we're back. Got another unboxing. I've done got the chain out of the box, but I'll show you the box it came in. It just basic Archer. This is a semi-chisel 325 pitch. I think it's 063, 81 drive links for Stihl. It's going on my MS360. When I put it together, I'd ordered a when I was doing those Chinese kit saws, is that damn junk helps form a bar and chain. If you're cutting really clean wood, I guess that chain would be okay, but if you get it in any dirty bark at all, it just will not hold an edge. And I had to run it. I had to actually grind the chain and go over all the acres to get the thing to even cut straight to begin with. But we went out, basically we went out and cut wood last week. I guess it was Monday of this week. Today's Saturday, but we'll call it last week. It was a nightmare. I'd cut a few blocks of wood, and then it'd go to cutting rainbows. One side of the chain go dull. So I came home, ordered a good chain, and I don't know, I just don't want the damn Chinese bar on my saw. So I ordered a Japanese bar, but I've already had this out. It's I think you pronounce it Tsumura, light and tough. This thing's really nice. It was on sale, got a good deal on it through Archer. That chain actually come through another company. It's Archer chain, but I think it was PA Mower Supply. Come out of Pennsylvania, but anyway, I'm gonna get the saw back here and get the old bar off, and I'll get it cleaned up, and we'll mount this new bar and chain. And I'll show this. This is how I keep my bars. Got my collars here. Husqvarna and Poland mount here. The rest of them are Stihl. I actually have that one drilled. It's Chinese bar and chain too. Freaking garbage, just like the one I just took off. I have it drilled out to fit my old Macalla Pro Max 605, but the needle valve and the carburetor on that, the lever's broke. It didn't like turning 14,000 RPMs, but we'll get that fixed in a later video. But I just thought I'd show that. That's how I keep my bars and chains. May as well show this while I'm at it. I've got a larger set of dogs here. I don't know if it looks like they very well are the same bolt pattern. They're off Stihl saw, an older one, so we're going to swap those on while we're at it. I'll cut you back on when I've got them on. And I honestly hate this time of year because I'm kind of stuck in the shop. I'm not blind. Like, really I am. I'm not just bullshitting and saying it. But, let me pause you for a minute. I've dropped the bolt. Okay, we didn't drop the bolt. It's still on the end of the tool. Alright, let's cross our fingers and hope this fits. It should, it's Stihl. Yeah, I know, that should have been cleaned up. These should be Loctited, but I've really honestly never had one fall off. And if you don't own one of these, I recommend you buy one. It don't have to be DeWalt. This one's starting to screw up. I've had it going on 4 years. It has been dropped. Well, shit, get in there. That big long bit that made it easy to hit your... Yeah, you get the idea. There's our dogs. I have no idea what the frick is playing on that phone. Clean your saws, folks, if it's as simple as just wiping stuff out. And this saw needs clutch springs. They are worn out. It will not idle without the chain moving. They will eventually get replaced. I'm not going to lose any sleep over it. As you can see, that is one nice bar. I have a video on the build of this saw if anyone's interested in watching it. It was stripped down, cases split, OEM bearings put in, OEM seals, caber rings, all OEM gaskets. Had a lot of money in doing it, but the saw was very lightly ported. I didn't even put a degree wheel on it. Mainly it just widened a little on the ports and polished the exhaust port. And she does cut. I'm gonna have to back that tensioner off. Wanting to be a bitch. There we have it. Got it whipped. Alright. Look at our side cover. I've already cleaned it. Those are Stihl dogs I put on that. Like I said, they's off an older, an 056. This saw could probably use a new tensioner. You can tell that chain is going to stretch a lot. This is a semi-chisel chain. Always hold your bar up. Feels good. Like I said, it is dark out. I'm night blind. I may make a video tomorrow showing you how this thing cuts. If I do, I'll clip it in, but I really like the looks of that with that bar and the larger dogs on it. See if we can get the light on it. I'm sure this GoPro can see it better than me, but yeah, I really like the looks of that. Like I said, we'll try to throw in a clip of me running it and give you some thoughts on that semi-chisel chain. I've ran them on the smaller saws, but this thing I think 61 cc's. It should cut real nice, but alright, I'll cut you back on then.